If you ever hear hold my beer, watch this.
How's it going, everybody? So, we're back to working on the Nova again this weekend. We're also watching our buddy Moose's live at the same time, so bear with us. Yeah, we probably won't talk quite as much as we have normally do, but we're going to start tearing apart the front suspension on the Nova now so that we can go through and start rebuilding the front sub that's under the Nova. So with that, we're just going to get to it and hopefully you enjoy following along. So here we go. Yeah, on to the next.
Were you filming it on that?
I was filming it on that. I don't know what I'm looking at either, but I'm lined up with my marks, so.
That's what I did. And
Bob's truck is nuts. You haven't seen it yet.
Yeah, mess. But at least we're up in the air and not on the floor.
where the fuck? Help me understand.
Can you hang it?
That's what I'm gonna get.
Okay.
I'm gonna work on this. You probably work on brake lines, fuel lines, that shit, right?
Yep.
I mean, I'm not trying to tell you can't work with me.
No, I know. Oh. What do we gotta get? Got to get a game plan here. So.
Pretty sure he put a crown fit front end underneath of it. But you want to talk about
I can't.
It's nice. It is a nice fork truck. It was his grandpa's truck. But yeah.
Fucking dummy meat.
And you need to take this bolt out.
That's what I was gonna do was.
There's an
You need
LT for you
to
guys.
take that line.
Do I just cut that fucking line?
What do you mean?
I
I'm
guess
probably not using any of it. But
no.
I would try to get it.
Why?
There's line wrenches in here, Tim. They're right here.
You don't really
The
know
brake
where
line.
I'm
Okay.
Thank you, William.
496 with a blower. Go for a lap. This is the old yellow heater here.
Oh, there's a truck.
Hey buddy, everybody. Hey everybody.
Oh, hit you again. Hey, buddy, everybody.
I love that.
Don't worry about that. I'm supposed to show you guys what this is Moose for.
What'd she buy?
He goes over there.
I'm not really sure.
That is a car air freshener. I bought a whole bunch of them where you put liquid in and it soaks up through the wood. And it is to raise money for the Wounded Warrior Project.
Oh, nice.
Cool, isn't it, guys? Wants to go up my top of that. Yep, you know, be a cow.
But I figured you should have.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start cutting fucking lines.
Why?
It's a project, but guess what? The guys here.
Well, I guess I could get to that one there. But
I
then
mean, you
it's.
cut the rubber line.
But
I
that
don't
doesn't
care.
help. That doesn't help
don't help
anything
you there.
here.
No, you
I
gotta
have to
get the
cut that
wrench on
fucking
there.
other one. Just trying to do it faster.
You're
and
just half-assing your way through it.
Yep.
So we did. Service on it.
Hurts easy.
No service.
Wow. Tim, I think you worked on this before because it's got mismatched fucking hardware.
There's definitely
Probably.
This is cool.
I gotta get old Pinky out.
Do a puzzle piece.
You could lower the car if you need to. It's not stuck at this height.
Got it. I got it. I don't know how I did it, guys.
What do you do?
But yeah.
Puzzle piece or something.
So, 55.
Why the?
4-speed, got some juice in it.
I would say I've never struggled this bad, but I'd be lying.
All you do is struggle.
Stuff that they put out in Detroit now, there is no imagination.
Why?
There's no designers.
Yeah, that one.
Bumped it with my arm.
In my defense, I tried to pull it out. You want it lower or what?
I just gotta find the right goddamn wrench. None of them are fucking going on right.
This is the first time I've ever seen this thing. Yeah.
Oh, that motherfucker's. Oh man, man, are you okay, everybody? I just smoked the light.
That's pretty awesome. Oh, this is a stick.
I was a lot. I was like way. I thought I was on a bigger, needing bigger, and I just needed smaller.
What?
Wrench.
There's some guy named Donnie.
That'd be the one.
It's hot rod.
Is it going all the way on?
Yeah.
Alright. Wasn't with this week comments.
Alright, come out there and you just work it.
Yep.
Let's get you on AJ car door. Or car
I was thinking I needed fucking bigger, and I needed smaller.
Oh yeah, guys. I support the guys. Oh yeah, TikTok.
You need to send him a sticker, can you?
Yeah, I know.
I got your plate, Jessica. But I support
Now that we've
all the guys on.
kind of been together enough that
Anybody else has got stickers they want to trade, we'll trade you and we'll support you. I want to build this community up. Here you go, Jessica.
Come grab the sleigh bar.
What do you think? Hey guys.
I guess set it with the other shit. Under the car with the other shit.
He was trying to take these pants
Oh.
off, I think, guys. I don't
Whoa!
know.
you don't have your people on, Joe.
So guys, we're gonna get off of here. We're gonna
Started
start
sweating
real quick.
Yeah, I know.
We can get back
And then
on.
I had to read text messages.
We will.
It's kind of why I thought about just putting it on the stand,
Guys.
but
So,
Kind of thought, what?
putting them on the stand, but then
it's being driven. I'm having fun with it. It's our first main voyage.
it would kind of take away from things. And
He was kicking and screaming when I got on it. But this is what they're meant for. Have fun with it and enjoy it. No.
I won't like it. People hear me leaving.
He's got a brown stain.
Yeah.
He's got a brown stain.
Yeah, I'm
man.
not saying I'm a banana hammock. Just yellow.
round state of banana hammock.
We're going to get off here and go get something to eat. You guys stay safe, have fun, enjoy this great day that you've been given. And we'll get back on here in a little bit if we can after we eat.
Yeah, we'll see you guys.
You're in the wrong side.
Hey, see you guys.
Alright. I'm gonna shut the computer off.
Yeah, I'm gonna shut the phone off.
I don't know what everybody feels like if you're watching shit in the background on videos.
Yeah, So if you don't like having that going in the background while we're doing filming and everything too, well, all I gotta say is you have to get used to it, because
I mean, I feel like my editing crew is gonna edit it down to where you guys don't have to.
yeah, not too much.
That's
But-
part of why we weren't really talking, so that Tim can overlay some music or something.
We're just kind of supporting a buddy that we met on TikTok, and we watch almost all of his live. Yep,
All we're after.
car people supporting car people.
I feel like Tim screwed me on this piece. And the nut's not tight because he probably cross-threaded it or the thing started spinning. In which case I'm
What's
going to
that?
get mad. This nut has never been tightened. Oh look, it's spinning.
I didn't put it on completely tight because I didn't want to cross thread it.
I don't know if you guys believe him, but I've known him my whole life. I don't believe him. Whoa. Okie dokie. This shit's not gonna work. Wheels are in the way. We might as well put them back here, because it ain't like they're going back on anytime soon. You know what I mean?
Yep. Wheels are in the way.
All right, see if this can spin around and kiss me in the teeth. Perfect. What the fuck are you doing?
What?
Hand tools.
Yeah, I didn't want to steal what you were using.
Because I don't have a 1/4 inch impact in there?
I didn't look at nothing.
It's in the fucking way back.
I didn't look at nothing.
Just to,
Trying to think of you.
you were not. You should have just been like, hey, can I use that impact? I've been like, sure. You're going to want to keep those bolts.
Yep, that's why I'm kind of keeping them all together. That this brake line. That's why I'm kind of keeping them all together. That
Probably already dicked up the threads. Tim's just throwing shit.
As Joe says, don't lose them. I bounce one across the floor.
This idler arm's probably okay. Nope.
That one stays there.
Gotta be 5/8, ain't it? There's 11/16. What one stays there?
Oh,
Did you hit the people?
no, I didn't hit the people.
Huh. Oh no. Oh. Yeah, you definitely got some. Shit, we gotta wash out frame rail. Timmy.
What's that?
So you definitely got some shit we gotta wash out of this frame rail.
Oh.
I keep hitting the people.
What's a thing?
Okay, let's see if I got them all out. So, take the brake line off the back. Come on. You know you want to.
You want that, you want the car higher or you like it where it's at?
Well, I'm trying to work around where you need it.
No, that's not what I asked. You want it higher or you like it where it's at?
We go a little bit higher.
Okay. Let me make sure I don't need it any lower. I'm glad we strapped it down because we're wiggling the fuck out of it.
I know.
Huh?
That's that'll work. Thank you. Ooh.
There. That's what you get. What happened?
That brake line is like not.
Well, we need a torch probably. Guess what we don't have? A torch. Because guess what broke last weekend?
I can run home and get mine
You got the screw-on part for your for these bottles?
at home.
Okay, we'll probably need that. What time is it? 10:45. We'll probably need it for
I'll run home and get it.
when we get to where we're. Take your pickup home and bring the Jeep back.
I'm going to.
Okay. What do you got going on here? You don't know? Just kind of left it hanging? Yeah, that's what he did.
Just taking things apart as I go.
Well, yeah, but it's got to come out this way. Just scratch the fuck out of that firewall that's in the primer. I gotta get cotter pins out for ball joints. Then get the ball joints separated. We got to pull shocks. I got to pull shocks yet. Okay.
I will be right back.
Okay. Now I can get to the cotter pins easier. These and where's it at? This. One out of four. I don't have enough hands. Small ball peen. A small peen. Two to go. this one's gonna come out because somebody put way too small a one in there. Sorry guys, I keep hitting you. Hey, one more. This one could be difficult. Where the fuck is it? This one looks like there it is. All four of them. Every cotter pin come out of the front of this car. That's almost unheard of. Almost unheard of. The next thing is going to be, we're going to try to get the ball joint nuts broke loose. How is that? They would never, would they? It's that one. Huh. Spun right off. Wow. I'd have never guessed. And normally I'd say this has probably been rebuilt, but they're still the rivet style ball joint. So now that lower quite possibly could have been replaced, because it wants a metric socket. And I know that there was some suspension stuff done to this thing in the past, only because I've known the car for shit. How many years is that? 93 to 2026. 33 years. It's gonna take some sack on that one. Thought I could do it one-handed. Oh, cool, like, you know. Somebody's fucking brake lines are in my way. Who would that be? Anybody got an idea who was working on brake lines? So I smack in the lower ball joint and the upper ball joint come loose. So I'm just trying to get these loose. Then we gotta take those springs out. And guess what? My socket don't want to fit on the lower here either. So maybe both lowers were done. All right. The lowers are metric for some reason. I can't tell you why. Bigger hammer. There it goes. See that? With the spring tension so that they'll separate. They're all separated. I may be fat, but I got some sack. All right, those are good. Nuts are holding it. Shocks are next. I don't know what Biscuits was doing there. Tim, you got one that spins. Fucking clip spinning. Yep. Well, looks like we're cutting. This belt's trashed. Normally I wouldn't cut with this thin of a blade, but alright, compressor. First step, take your good glasses off, put your safety third glasses on. You guys are gonna have to squint. I don't have a pair of safety glasses for you. Earmuffs. Whoa, sorry. I know what you guys are gonna say. Well, that was too easy, and Tim had to do it laying on the ground, and you got to do it up in the air. Yeah, you're right. It's also my house with my lift. And there was no way to put that extra subframe on the lift. I'll show you something. So you that have been around a while, I've seen Tim's video. I said we drug this out of the barn, all 4 tires locked up. That's where the brake pad was sitting. It was locked. This side come loose. But it drug it on the trailer. If I remember right, all 4 tires locked. That one might have spun. Half the reason for that was we didn't have keys to it. We couldn't put it in neutral. We couldn't unlock the steering wheel. And it was so far in the dirt that it was so far in the dirt we couldn't get underneath and unhook the linkage. So what tools do I need so these shocks can spin and not come apart? What size is that nut? All you people in TV world probably know exactly what size that is. This one started to. Maybe it'll come apart. These springs got more sack to them too. Probably should have done this before I took the bottom of the shock loose, but oh, it took a chunk out of the concrete. Dang it, Tim, you owe me a concrete floor now. Just kidding. This is a shop people work in. Guess what? Shit gets broke. I think I'm going to clampalize this before I even attempt to take this nut off. There you go. Getting closer. What do I got? I think we're about to where Timmy can heat up some springs. Then we'll buzz the control arms out, take this gearbox off, which I'm gonna have to have Tim's help. Subframe stripped. Fire it on.
As Joe says, don't lose them. I bounced one across the floor.
This side,
That one stays there. Oh!
Did you hit the people?
No, I didn't hit the people. That one stayed on. What's that? Junk?
We got some shit we gotta wash out of this spring.
Whoa! I keep hitting the people.
What's the thing?
Okay, let's see if I got them all out now. So, I'm going to take that brake line off the back. Right here. Come on. Come on. You know you want to.
You want that, you want the car higher or you like where it's at?
Well, I'm trying to work around where you need it.
No, that's not what I asked. You want it higher or you like it where it's at?
We can go a little bit higher.
Well, I can strap it down because we're wiggling the fuck out of it.
I know. That'll work. Thank you. I said that'll work. Thank you. Ooh.
happened?
That brake line is like not happy.
Well, we need a torch probably. Guess what we don't have? A torch. Guess what broke last week?
Yeah. I could run home and get my
You got a screw-on part for your bottle for these bottles?
at home.
Okay, we'll probably need that.
Yeah, because that one ain't coming out.
What time is it? 10:45.
Something's about to happen that you don't want to miss.